Rejoice with me, I finally got my tripod. So I'm going to be making more content. Business has been good, I can't really complain. It's a new business. I'm still establishing my customer base, still learning what they like, etc. Today is Monday though. I think it's a public holiday because there isn't much happening, but it's currently raining like I showed you, and yeah, I'm just going about my day. I'm making something to eat now, and when I'm done I'm going to play a movie on my laptop and just chill and wait for orders basically.
Back. Think about me cause you know that it's fact. Ain't it been what it been? Pulling his phone like you'll send me a pin. Look at my shit cause you know what I'm on. But when he hit me, I'm not gonna respond. But I don't sleep enough without you. And I can't eat enough without you. If you don't speak, does that mean we're through? Don't like sneaky shit that you do.
Good boy's a liar. Good boy's a liar. He doesn't see ya. You're not looking at me, boy. Good boy's a liar. Good boy's a liar. You're not looking at me, boy. Good enough, good enough, good enough, good enough, good You don't know, babe, when you hold me, you kiss me slowly, it's the sweetest thing. And it don't change. If I had it my way, you would know that you were. You're the coffee that I need in the morning. You're my sunshine in the rain when it's pouring. Won't you give yourself to me? Give it all. I just wanna see. I just wanna see how beautiful you are. You know that I see it. I know you're a star. Where you go, I'll follow. No matter how far. If life is a movie, oh, you're the best part. Oh, you're the best part. Oh, best part.
It's the sunrise and those brown eyes, yes. You're the one that I desire. When we wake up and then we make love, it makes me feel so nice. You're my water when I'm stuck in the desert. You're the Tylenol I take when my head hurts. You're the sunshine of my life. I just wanna see how beautiful you are. You know that I see it. I know you're a star. If life is a movie, then you're the best part. Oh, you're the best part. Oh, best part. If you love me, won't you say something? If you love me, won't you? If you love me, won't you say something?